In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a footer in LibreOffice Writer, step by step. Even if you've never used this feature before, a footer is a great way to add page numbers, document names, dates, or any custom text that you want to appear at the bottom of every page. This is especially useful for schoolwork, office documents, reports, and professional files. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Write a Document. If you already have a file you want to work on, you can open your existing document instead. Once your document is open, the next step is to go to the top menu and click Insert. This is where LibreOffice keeps many of the tools for adding elements to your page. After clicking Insert, move your cursor down to Footer. You'll see a submenu appear, and from there, select the page style you're using, which is usually default page style. This tells LibreOffice which pages should display the footer. In most cases, if you're using the standard layout, default page style is the one you want. Once the footer is enabled, look at the bottom of the page. You should now see a footer area appear. Click inside that footer area to place your cursor there. This is where you can type your footer text. You can add something simple like your name, your document title, a date, or any other information you want to appear on every page. If you want, you can also format the footer text just like normal text. That means you can change the font, size, alignment, or style to make it match the rest of your document. For example, you might center the footer, make it smaller, or add page numbers alongside your text. That's one of the reasons footers are so useful in LibreOffice Writer. They help make your document look more organized and professional. If you don't see the footer right away, make sure you selected the correct page style and that you clicked inside the bottom section of the page. Sometimes beginners think nothing happened, but the footer is there and just needs to be clicked into before you can type. Also, remember that footers are often applied per page style, so if your document uses different styles, you may need to repeat the process for other sections, and that's it. You've successfully added a footer in LibreOffice Writer. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know where the option is, it becomes very easy to do again anytime you need it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.